Hi all, welcome to our new episodes.
We have been hearing about cryptocurrency and blockchain for some time. Let us talk about these terms to beginners.
Sure, we'll do that because most of us have heard of these terms in our life. But some may be wondering what exactly are these terms. So, in simple terms, cryptocurrency is a virtual or digital money or currency, which doesn't need any intermediaries like or authorities like banks or central bank like RBI to approve or monitor these transactions. However, the normal currency, which is also called fiat currency, like Indian rupee, US dollar, euro, and all, cannot be transacted without the support or help of the intermediaries like banks and financial institutions. So, but for many of the people who know or heard of blockchain and cryptocurrency, it is the same. But in real fact, they are entirely two different things. I mean, they are connected, but not the same. Cryptocurrency is the coins, the crypto coins like Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, Tether, and so many like that. Whereas blockchain is the technology behind cryptocurrency. So that doesn't mean that blockchain is used only for creating cryptocurrencies. It is nowadays used in many use cases in banking and finance and supply chain, healthcare, education, government record keeping, and so on. So see that the e-rupee recently introduced by RBI is built on blockchain technology, but that's not crypto. That's the digital version of our Indian currency. So now a question may arise, who created this, or when did this was created, or when did this originate? See, in 2009, 2008, 2009, a group of mysterious people under a pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto created the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Okay, and it is them only who created the blockchain technology for creating or developing cryptocurrency.
These topics are very vast. We may need to do 3 4 episodes to cover fully. However, let us glance through the basic of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology.
Yeah, sure. See, they are connected, but they are not same. So to understand cryptocurrency and even blockchain, we need to understand the terms blockchain, decentralization, cryptography, and distributed ledger. There are so many other things. Mining is also another topic. Blockchain, as the name suggests, is the chain of blocks, meaning when a cryptocurrency transaction is validated through the process of mining. The validated transaction is added as a new block and linked to a recent block in a chronological order. Okay, that's why the term blockchain has evolved. And now decentralization meaning, see, there are no authorities, no entities or institutions involved in this entire process. I mean, there is nobody there to validate or approve or monitor cryptocurrency transactions. And cryptography is a method to secure transactions from unauthorized access. Okay, and enabling privacy and immutability. Immutability means unchangeable or non-changeable. Crypto, I mean, encryption you might have heard of. This is a part of cryptography. Now, coming to decentralized, I mean, distributed ledger. See, this transaction, cryptocurrency transaction, or even blockchain transactions are done on a large network of computers, or they call nodes. And so, not one or multiple nodes or computers or the users can change the transactions once recorded. Okay, so that is why this blockchain is also called distributed ledger.
We have heard a lot of crypto mining. Could you explain what is crypto mining? Uh,
Yeah, sure. See, crypto mining is arguably the most important or the critical activity or the task in this entire ecosystem. See, now as we understood earlier, there is no other entity, external entity involved, like banks or any other institutions involved in approving or validating the transactions in cryptocurrency. So how is it done? How are the transactions approved? So this is through mining. So mining is a very complex process of uh, solving very complex mathematical puzzle by a miners. So once the puzzle is solved, the transaction gets validated, and that validated transaction is added as a block, and the miners get new currents, I mean coins as a reward. And the mining is also the process of creating new crypto coins.
is cryptocurrency is legalized in India? Any countries recognized uh, this cryptocurrency?
Yeah, so in India, this was banned in 2008, but the decision was overturned by Reserve Bank in 2020. And recently, in the 2022 budget, the finance minister introduced the tax on cryptocurrency transaction. But that doesn't mean that cryptocurrency is legal in India. So very few countries, a couple of countries like El Salvador and all have legalized cryptocurrency, but most of the countries are not legalized, and some countries have even banned, like China. So what could be, see now, cryptocurrency may survive. We don't know, but recent news is that Bitcoin is actually gaining in value. And somebody expect, I mean, it's going, up and up in this value. But there is a certainty because countries are not accepting or legalizing, so it may survive or not. We are not sure. But blockchain as a technology would continue to evolve and grow, and that would be there as one of the emerging technologies in tech world. But now one question will rise: why the countries are not legalizing or accepting cryptocurrency? So the reason is, this can be used for illegal activities, and it's being used for illegal activities like drug trafficking, terrorism funding, money laundering, and so on. So yeah, that's it. So these are the basics, but we may come back with few more in episodes on this topic, maybe in more detail. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much
so
for
much.